This is Nokia 9 PureView, and today I will show how you can check how much random access memory you have on this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings, then scroll the Settings menu all the way down and enter the About Phone section. Then scroll the About Phone page all the way down as well and continuously tap at the build number until you'll see you're now a developer message. Then re-enter the system category, this time open developer options, and at the memory section you can see how much RAM you have in total. That is almost 6 GB in my case, how much of it is being used on average, and how much RAM you have left free, or you can also see your RAM usage by apps. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.